How to earning diamond in Hamster Kompat. Let's start. Click here. Download this app. Wait for download. Simply download and open. Check it out. You complete 5 tasks in this app. Simply you click and time show hamster. Simply click hamster and you complete 1 task. So I finally 5 tasks complete. You can see. You can complete 5 tasks. You can click here. Simply you copy this link. And you go Hamster Kompat. Click here. Paste this link. Simply you copy. Click redeem. Success. Check the diamond. Oh my god, I am earned diamond. Simply you earn this. Thank you. Subscribe please.